Okay.
Oh crap,
Dude, what are you doing? Come on, let's go. Let's get geared up. I don't know what
Oh
this is.
crap, I forgot. So we're gonna be checking out the new Megalodon map.
Dude, it's not really new. Everyone has checked it out. We're just gonna go
I know.
there. Or check it out if you want to check it out if you've never been there before. But yeah, let's go check it out.
I don't need that much ammo. I'm gonna
Okay.
go get
Okay, bro, wait for me.
Okay, I'm just gonna get a fishing rod. A fishing rod.
Okay, I already got one. I got one in my backpack. Okay, actually, I'm gonna get another fishing rod because I don't want to use this one. Hold on, dude. Get in. Backpack, and I'm gonna use a basic fishing rod. Okay, I'm ready. I'll meet you there. Okay, let's go. Yeah.
I know the way to get in. I got our way in.
You got a fish? Got a fish all way in? Oh, just feed him. Wait, dude, it's already open. Come on, let's go.
I fed him so his mouth's open.
Hey, be careful. I'm scared. I'm a scaredy cat. I'm dead.
Why is
I
the wall
thought I was
right
dead.
there?
I thought I was gonna die, bro. Don't go
Don't
near
grapple
them.
onto those. Don't grapple onto those. Wait,
Yeah, I know.
do something
I
real quick.
can just go around. Dude, why is there metal in his body? That's weird.
Because he needs metal to help him live. And like these, because
Dude,
there's
this is disgusting.
parasites.
And what are we even supposed to do with this?
Nothing. That shit, we have to go. Oh crap, I fell dead.
Yeah, me too. It happened to
Oh
me.
no. This
What?
is the worst part for me.
Dude, don't. Why would you not bring
I
the hook
forgot to.
shot? Hey, bro.
I'm trying to unlock.
Here, I'll bring you over here. Here, come over here. I'll meet you over here and I'll drop the hook shot for you. Okay, if you can fall and I'll drop the hook shot for you, so you can climb up. Well, try not to fall and we can just come.
No wait, I'm good right now. I made it.
Okay, let's go.
Because my trusty shotgun. Wait, right there.
Be careful.
Right there too.
Oh my gosh.
It's
I
an
have a
infestation. It's
Yeah,
an
let's
infestation. Oh crap. Why is
The
there a
only
light?
revolver ammo I have. I don't have any more revolver ammo.
Oh crap.
So yeah, I'll try to shoot them. Got one. Now you gotta shoot the other.
Me?
Yeah. And I'll meet you over there at the other side. Okay. Be careful. Oh yes, let's go, bro. What'd you get? Ooh.
Use a revolver.
I need revolver.
I got a revolver. There you go. Hurry up before they respawn.
Okay, we going out of the booty.
We're here. We're here.
We here.
We're here.
We made it out of the booty.
Wait, what? Oh yeah, it's Megalodon Lake. I heard about this.
Dude, what do you mean? Haven't you been here before?
I've heard about this place.
Have you ever been here before? Dude, I've been here before. Why are you shocked? Okay, I'm gonna go fishing. I'm gonna go fishing.
Okay.
I'm gonna go back to spawn without me.
No, I'm getting a place to go fishing. I never went fishing.
I don't need that flashlight anymore, dude. You can go fishing over here.
I found a place which is this dock over here.
Yeah. Okay, I guess I'll go fishing over there with you. I threw away my flashlight. I don't need it. Wait for me. I'm coming. Time to go fishing. I don't think you're gonna get anything good with that.
I know, it just started. This is really calming. This is the most coolest update.
Yeah. I'm so glad they added fish.
I'm hooked. I'm hooked.
Me too. Can become something good.
This one's hard.
Oh
my gosh, what did I do?
What did I get? I got a catfish.
You got a catfish?
Yeah.
Whoa. I got
a good fishing rod.
I got a crappie.
A crappie.